Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Saturday, November 27th, 2021. It is 1:11 and 7 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is my final soldering session. Today it was the micro LEDs, and pumping the IC circuit into the socket. I'm really happy my circuit worked on the first attempt. If you fast forward near the end, you will see my working circuit. So let's hop to it here. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and this was a very delicate operation. I'm very happy my circuit is working. Like my dad used to tell me when I was young, never let anyone tell you you can't do something. You can be whatever you want to be in life. And he said that with a passion. Well, this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoy listening. Until next time, have a great day.